In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Google Maps app to navigate. So step one, you just have to go to your maps. Okay, tap this one. And then once you're here, step two, you just have to search for that specific place that you want to go or you want to visit. Let's just say you are not yet decided of where you want to go. So you want to look for like coffee shops or restaurants. Step three, you have to search coffee shop. Go to the search bar and type. Once you type coffee shop, the options of places will appear below, and all you have to do is to tap the name of the place where you want to go. So as you can see, if I'm going to press enter, I can see here options below. Okay. Step four, click the picture or the name of the place. And then once you tap that one, you can see option there like directions. Okay, for example, I want to go to this place. Okay, step five, click directions, and there you can see, we have here if you're going to go there by car, it will take 5 minutes. Also, if you go there by motorcycle, you will arrive after 5 minutes. If you go there by bus, it will take 22 minutes to get there. And if you walk, it will take, I think, 35 minutes to arrive at the destination. So that's how wonderful it is to use the Google Maps to navigate. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.